Hey coders, so I'm in lesson 6, level 5 here, styling text with CSS. And a couple of reminders. Remember, you have all of these help things, documentation, it can read it to you, and help and tips. And then too, as you scroll on these, like what colors, you're gonna have some extensions and some help in here, okay? But I'm going to do a couple of these skill levels with you. So our instructions tell us to find the code in the style sheet that is making our header 1, which is right here. And you can always turn your inspector tool on, remember, to see the corresponding code that makes our heading 1 red. And then we're going to change the red to a different color. So right now I'm in the HTML code. I need to go to Style CSS to change the color. Now I can change this color here by typing in another color. These are the colors available in blue, and I'm going to pick Dodger blue since they won the World Series. And now I've changed that. Okay? And you can extend and use all sorts of different color values, play around with that. Now on bubble 6, we use any of your resources, but it says we're going to find the cascading style set rule set right here in this style sheet that styles the H1 tag or heading 1 tag. So here we are. Here's our H1 tag. That's what we did before. And then using the same pattern, we're going to change the H3 tag to match that color. So right now here is H3, but I can see it's black and I need it to be Dodger blue. So I'm going to go to, again, Style CSS. And then I like to copy and paste, but you could definitely retype this in. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to move it down. And then I'm going to change that heading 1 to be heading 3. And now all of those are the same. If I go back to my index HTML, it doesn't change anything here because our content is the same, but our style has changed. So that's level 6. I'm going to go ahead and do level 7 as well with you. And this is about font sizes. So again, you're probably going to want to review what pixel means, and then a few things about the punctuation. So remember that the punctuation, the bracket style, and the colons are really important in HTML cascading style sheets because it's different and it means different things. So review over here. Remember, you can always listen to it. But our directions on 7 is to find the CSS rule set, in the style sheet that determines the style for the paragraph tag. So again, I'm going to turn my inspector on and I'm going to look at my paragraph tag. So there it is. And then it says to change the text size of the paragraphs and the headings. Okay, so both. So I need to go to my style sheet, and here are my different font sizes. And so we want to change these. So maybe I'll make my header 40 and my paragraph, 24. And now I can see those fonts have changed. And again, if I go back to the HTML doesn't change because that's the content, but the style has changed.